Today we're taking a look at reducing the fan noise on the MFJ-4225MV power supply. Now this is a pretty nice little power supply. It has two illuminated meters and the output is scalable from 9 volt to 15 volt. However, it seems to be a common complaint that the fan on these generates way too much noise. If you look around online, there's a few people that claim that their model has a fan that switches off a few seconds after power on, while others report that their fan stays on at a constant rate and has a fan speed that scales along with the selected voltage. That is the case with the model I received, and as you might be able to hear, it is pretty loud. There are a few different methods we can use to address the excessive noise issue. Perhaps the cheapest option would be to add some resistance to the stock fan's power cable. A 1 watt resistor of about 42 ohms would drop the speed by approximately 40%. Though I have on hand some half-watt, 24 ohm resistors, and splicing two of these in series would achieve a similar effect and dissipate the excess as heat. The other option is just to replace the stock fan completely. I have here an 80mm Noctua. I've used Noctuas before for PC builds, and it's a high-quality fan that will definitely be a quieter solution over simply adding a resistor to the stock unit. The replacement is really easy. You just need to clip off the zip ties holding the wires down, unscrew and pull the old one out, and reverse the procedure for the new fan. The power cable can then be connected to the header using the pins attached to the red and black wires. The third pin with the yellow wire can be left unconnected. So another cool thing about Noctua is that they do supply a couple of these low power adapters. So you can just plug these into the cable, and they have a little resistor inside, so it reduces the voltage a little bit more. So if you find that the volume is still too loud, you can reduce it further using these cables. So I'm going to try these now and see how much of a difference it makes. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this upgrade. It's a noticeable improvement, and now I can operate my radio without sounding like I'm in a wind tunnel. If you found this interesting or useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm looking forward to making more videos.